Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ford Mustang versus GTI. Let's dive into their core philosophies and see how these two iconic vehicles stack up against each other. We'll explore what makes each car unique, from their design language to their intended driving experience. Understanding these fundamental differences is key to appreciating their individual strengths and weaknesses in the automotive landscape. When it comes to performance, the Mustang often boasts larger engines, including potent V8, providing immense horsepower and a thrilling exhaust note. It's built for powerful acceleration and a classic rear-wheel drive feel. The GTI, however, focuses on a balanced front-wheel drive experience, offering precise handling and a responsive turbocharged four-cylinder engine that makes it incredibly fun on winding roads. It's a master of agility. Inside, the Mustang typically offers a driver-focused cockpit with a blend of retro and modern elements, often featuring comfortable front seats. The GTI provides a more refined and understated interior, known for its excellent build quality and user-friendly layout. While both offer modern infotainment, the GTI's hatchback design generally provides more versatile cargo space, making it a more practical choice for daily errands or carrying larger items. Considering value, the Mustang can offer incredible performance for its price, especially with its powerful engine options. The GTI, while perhaps not as raw, often provides a more refined driving experience and better fuel economy, making it a strong contender for those seeking a balance of fun and practicality. Your choice ultimately depends on whether you prioritize raw power and classic muscle car appeal, or agile handling and everyday usability. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.